Prerequisites course for DevOps, cloud computing, or any freshers in IT. Laying strong foundation for the journey ahead. You want to kickstart your career in DevOps or cloud computing, but learning these technologies can be challenging and you struggle a lot.
Well, the reason behind that is some do not have basic knowledge in infrastructure. Some are not good with cloud computing. Some are not aware about scripting and development concepts. Call this prerequisites if you want, but the first step is the most crucial step in any learning path.
Introducing Prerequisites course for DevOps and cloud computing. This course covers in 3 areas: general infra knowledge, basics of cloud computing, and scripting. Become an expert in command line with Linux. Learn to set up your own labs with Vagrant VirtualBox and sharpen up your networking knowledge. Use AWS Cloud to host servers, storage, databases, load balancers, and more. Gain scripting knowledge with Bash scripting. Learn Python programming. Version control your code with Git and build your code with Maven. Learn containers with Docker. So go ahead and master the basics.
So, what are you waiting for? Buckle up, get ready for the exciting journey of DevOps.